everyone, my name is Ashish Sadar.
My name is Rishabh Kalyani.
This is the model of Wi-Fi controlling car. It controls through the Wi-Fi.
It controls through the Wi-Fi by the app. That app is EPS 8266 Wi-Fi robot car. This app helps us to control the car to move front, back and right or left.
Required materials are DC motors 4 and motor driver 1 and this is the Wi-Fi module and and wheels and these are jumper wires and we use eliminator for supplying the current. This is a very helpful and toyful and this is the toy for many children and when our car is
to control this car, the controls are to move forward, to move backward, to the right, to the left, and this is a parking mode. Lock means it will go on just moving on forward, which you click on forward button, backward button, right or left, and the speed we can increase the speed in 1 to 10. Top speed is 10, and we will show you how the car will move.
You can see practically.
The car is moving forward.
Once again. You can see that light. And this is light of this motor driver. And we use 8 volts. To move forward, we click this. You can see this practically.
This is moving left to left, and this is moving front.
We changing the direction from.
We are going to study now is water sanitization test. So water is drinkable or not anta now ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. Which water is drinkable and which water is not drinkable. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? So water pH value normally water is 7. So how to test that? There are pH tests by using this indicator. If we add this indicator into water, that if that water turns into green color, that is neutral. If water turns into red or orange color, that is acidic. Water is acidic, that is not drinkable. So if water turns into this any of this color after adding this, that is also not drinkable water, that is slightly basic. So drinkable should be turns into this color, which is green in small green in color. That should be 7 pH value. Okay, so we have now we have three types of water. One is slightly basic water, so one is acidic water, and one is neutral water. Neutral water, here we are already added this reagent, so that has turned into green color. So now we are going to add the same reagent into acidic water. Now let's see which color it turned into. So 15 drops you have to add. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes. So after this, you have to close this and mix this. So what is the color of this solution, water now? Red. See why this water is red and why this water is green? Because the green water pH value is 7. This water has a acidic in nature. Acid is there. That is why it did not turn green in color. So here you can check which color indicates pH value. So the green color indicates a 7 or 7.5, 7 or 7.5 pH value, and red color means how much? 4 or 5? 4. Understood? So green means neutral, red means acidic. Now this is base. Let's see which color it will going to turn into. 15 drops. After 15 drops. Yes. Now what is the color of this? Now? Purple. So if water is turned into purple, so what is the pH value? 10 and above 10. Understood? So which is drinkable now? Out of this?
Neutral.
Yes. Out of this which is drinkable? This is drinkable water. And these two are non-drinkable water. So ee tara idre ivu neeru kudiyoke yogya alla, ee tara bandre ivu neeru kudiyoke yogya anta test ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. This is called sanitization of water test. Understood? Yes sir.
Hi, myself Sanjana, and this is fire detector. I am introducing this model. This is a fire detector. It is majorly used in forest to stop the fire. So there are normally now fire robots like cars and drones. So this will sense the fire. These are sensors. As you can see, it will stop the fire in forest. It is majorly used in forest.
Its components are Arduino, motor driver, breadboard, and servo motors, and 4 DC motors with 4 wheels, and we used 3 flame sensors.
Basically, it is just a prototype which we have used here. So, actually in forest, the rapid fires will be so high. So, just to imagine and to how we can extinguish that fire, we have just made that prototype.
So this is called oscilloscope meter. So what it will do is it will check the current in any electronic device or any electric device. For example, suppose see here there are 2 channels we have now. We are connected to this oscilloscope inputs. Okay, so if this channels are connected to one of the outputs, so you can see the waves change in the waves here. Okay, See, if I remove this, the waves are gone. If I add with the output, the waves comes here. According to voltage and different voltage and different current, these waves are going to change its wavelength and frequency. Everything will change with this. So with the help of these two channels, you can find current with in flow of current or flow of voltage in any of the electronic devices. So it may be mobile or it may be any circuits. You can check with this.
Like this, you have to count. This is the outer diameter of the long rubber cup. Okay. Now it is 20 millimeter, 25 millimeter, 28 millimeter outer diameter of this long rubber cup, and then inner diameter of this cork is see how much you just you count and tell me. See how much.
Good morning all of you. My name is Ashish Sadar. I am studying in 9th class in K-Board High School, Malamaddi, Dharwad. Today I will make the model of this gyro disc. It is worked by gyroscopic technology. It has some main parts. They are, one is frame and another is spin axis and another is base. You can see the base of this model is this. You can see here. And spin axis of this model is, we use spin axis as this RC motor, and the essential material to make this gyro disc is wheel or any disc. we use this toy wheel as a disc. You can see here the rotation mode is off, then it's fall. You can see the rotation mode of this wheel is off, then it's fall. If the rotation mode of this wheel is on, it starts to balance itself. You can see here practically. If we transfer this gyro disc in any two-wheeler vehicles, then two-wheeler vehicles can also start to balance themselves only. And the main use of this gyro disc is to prevent accidents and to measure the angle of any moving object. The common applications of this gyroscopic technology or this gyroscope is you can see the toy spinner. If we spin that spinner speedily, then it rotates very fastly. Then it starts to balance itself only. The helicopter balance very easily because the fan of that helicopter act as a gyroscope, and we can know that the gyroscope balance the object. The required materials are you can see the toy wheel or any heavy disc or an heavy wheel. And we use on-off switch. You can see here, and we use DC motor. You can see here, and this is this is RC motor, and we use a frame as this CD or any disc you can take. You can see. Totally, this is used for safety purpose. Thank you.